All right, in this week's recap, stocks rise with help from a reassuring March employment report, as well as the news of further progress in U.S. China trade talks.
Emotion has no place in your investments, so how do you know what news actually matters? Hi, I'm Eric, and in the next few minutes, we're going to forget the headlines and focus on the facts. Here's what really happened last week.
Stocks posted their second straight weekly gain. The Dow Jones Industrials Average gained 1.17% in 5 trading days. The S&P 500 up 1.27%, and the NASDAQ Composite up 1.72%. The MSCI EAFE Index of International Stocks rose 1.84%. Investors got some good news last week, an encouraging employment report and indications that a new U.S. China trade deal might be near. The economy generated 196,000 net new jobs in March, according to the Department of Labor. Monthly job growth averaged 180,000 in the first quarter. The March hiring recovery eased Wall Street concerns about a near-term economic downturn. If payroll growth is this strong in April and in May, the Federal Reserve may be motivated to rethink its pause of interest rate hikes. Chinese Vice Premier Liu He said last week that the U.S. and China have come to a consensus on the basics of a new trade accord. President Trump commented Thursday that the next 4 weeks of negotiations will be critical. All right, looking ahead this week at some key economic data. On Wednesday, minutes from the March Federal Reserve meeting come out, plus the latest consumer price index, which tracks monthly and yearly inflation. And then on Friday, the initial University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index for the month of April is released, and this assesses consumer confidence. The first quarter earnings season kicks off this week with 3 of the biggest banks in the country reporting results. The question is whether stocks in the S&P 500 will post earnings that beat analysts' expectations to the degree that they have in the past few quarters.
Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you'd prefer to read the transcript each week, you can subscribe to that at www.erichagen.pro. Also, if you'd like to get financially organized, head on over to nocostfinancialdashboard.com and take control of your financial future. Lastly, if you want to find out if you're invested right, visit getinvestedright.com right now. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.